What if I told you there's a YouTube creator making over $20,000 every month simply by explaining how things work, using nothing but 3D animation? No camera, no vlogs, no drama, just pure educational storytelling. Meet Jared Owen, the man who turned curiosity into a YouTube empire with over 4.25 million subscribers and nearly 500 million views. Stick around, because today we'll uncover how he did it. Jared Owen's channel started with one simple idea: how do things actually work? From elevators and airplanes to Rubik's Cubes and roller coasters, Jared uses 3D animation to take viewers inside machines, buildings, and inventions in ways no camera could ever show. Today, his channel has uploaded around 117 videos, each one designed with incredible attention to detail and stunning visual quality. And that precision is what separates Jared from other creators. He doesn't just explain things, he shows them. Every video on Jared Owen's channel is like a mini documentary, combining storytelling, clear narration, and cinematic 3D design. He doesn't post every week like many creators. Instead, he focuses on quality over quantity, often spending weeks or even months perfecting each animation. This means fewer uploads, but every single one performs extremely well. His videos like how the International Space Station works and how the Statue of Liberty was built have crossed millions of views, showing that curiosity never goes out of style. Now let's talk numbers, because Jared's channel isn't just fascinating, it's profitable. With 4.25 million subscribers, an average of 7.8 million monthly views, and long, high-quality educational content, this channel earns an estimated $36,000 to $107,000 per month just from YouTube ads alone. And when you factor in Patreon, sponsorships, and animation licensing, his total income could easily reach 6 figures annually. This proves one thing: knowledge sells, especially when it's beautifully presented. Jared Owen's success story is the perfect example of how educational content can be both inspiring and profitable. He didn't chase trends, react to drama, or follow viral challenges. Instead, he built the channel around curiosity, clarity, and creativity. And that's what makes him one of YouTube's most respected educators. So if you're dreaming of building a YouTube brand, remember, you don't always need entertainment. Sometimes, education is the real superpower. Thanks for watching. And if you love learning from YouTube success stories like this, make sure to subscribe for more.